her up a bit later on, finish your beak
Right,
off.
now,
Lovely. Press that red.
I think it's done,
Yeah,
isn't
it's
it?
doing it.
Ah, ain't she beautiful?
It is. Would it be alright if we put this?
Can you just say what... Do you want to all be on my YouTube channel or not?
Can do,
You don't
yeah.
have to, mate.
Yeah,
My friend.
That's Kizzy.
Kizzy,
Yeah.
can you say...
3/4 Gia, 1/4 Saker.
Ah, she's beautiful, ain't she, Tubes? Ain't
She
she?
just wants a beak trimmed up now. She's just
Beautiful.
come out of molt. I put the tail mount on her yesterday,
Oh, have a
ready
look
for
at that
telemetry.
beak.
Because just wants a
Ah,
beak trimmed up
she's
now, boy, and then she'll be ready to go.
Ah, I love her. She's
be good to go.
lovely. So what weight is she?
She flies at around about £2.4 1/4 ounces.
Yes, I could see.
Her first
Yeah.
take was a rabbit
Yeah,
at 19 weeks old.
yeah.
At 22 weeks old, she had hold of her first grey lag goose.
Ah, ain't she beautiful, Tubes?
She's a bit of a violent one, this one, boy.
Ah, she's lovely. Right then,
I've had some cracking chicks off her. Absolute pearlers.
lots of my subs ask me about different birds, and do I know anybody?
She is an absolute diamond, she is, to fly. An absolute diamond.
Ah,
Her daughter,
I'll tell you what, I love her. She's
her
beautiful.
daughter flies at £2.3, and she takes pigeons like it's going out of vengeance.